Dear students, we are passing through a very difficult time with no precedent to fall upon. We have to innovate ourselves to keep life going without endangering ourselves. We just successfully completed midterm examination for which you all and the teachers deserve appreciation. Your professors are trying their best to take your classes through Google Classroom as well as other online means. Certainly that cannot be replacement of conventional mode of teaching, but that is the second best under the present circumstances. We have scheduled your end term examination of this even semester from 15 July 2020. Some of the students have raised question over it and have given example of other universities who have adopted different measures to calculate GPA and make the student clear the exam and complete the semester. That is the easiest way out, and we could have also adopted it. It would have saved my teacher colleagues from preparing notes, taking online classes, preparing question paper, and all subsequent efforts required to complete the exam. Probably you all would have also been happy for a short-term gain. But, and I emphasize this but, I have taken a different decision. A tough and painstaking decision of completing the courses and taking end-term examinations. This I am doing for benefit of you all and prestige of this great university. I repeat, this I am doing for benefit of you all and prestige of this great university. Thus, I shall suggest you to prepare for the exam. I have full faith in your capability, and I am confident that you can do it. I always say, you remember that whenever I have been addressing you people, I always say, you can do it and you will do it. The same thing I repeat, you can do it and you will do it with flying colors. But I think some of you might have still some doubt over it and not comfortable with the end term examination. I have heard some comments from some students, and that's why I'm giving you a choice. You are free to opt out of the exam. No problem. You will mark absent against your name for the end term, but you will be given grade on the basis of your performance up to the midterm, and it will be mentioned in your grade sheet. That is transcript that you didn't appear in the end term examination due to COVID-19. I hope I am clear that you are free to opt out of the end term examination. It is not going to affect your year. You will be getting grades depend upon your performance up to the mid semester. However, it will be mentioned in your transcript that you missed the interim examination and this grade is based only up to midterm. The decision is totally yours. Whether you want to carry stigma of a person who fled from the rigors of the examination in face of COVID-19, or a person who braved COVID-19. The choice is yours, because this decision is going to be with you for your whole life. As per the news yesterday, new session will start either late October or early November, because AIEEE is going to happen only in the last week of September or the first week of October. We have Durga Puja holidays on 25th of October. So the session will be delayed by 2.5 months. Thus, we are proposing to start 3rd, 5th and 7th semester online from 16th August 2020. The registration will start after 10th August, when results of the semester will be published. Registration will be online and you will be paying your fee online. If conditions improve, you will be back to campus for study in conventional mode after midterm, or this whole semester will be online. We can't say anything at this stage how the things are going to take a turn. We are working on modalities of it, and final guidelines will be put up on the university website next week. I hope you all will cooperate with the university in making it unique, which is working to make you learn while remaining safe. Wish you all the best in the forthcoming examination and a bright future. I pray Almighty for your safety and health during this trying time.